You've probably seen clinics advertising FDA-registered stem cells. Sounds reassuring, right? But here's the reality. FDA-registered does not mean FDA-approved, and it doesn't mean the product has even been proven to contain live stem cells. Let me explain why this matters. I'm Dr. Amy Adams with LifeStem Regenerative Medicine in Houston, Texas. We focus on evidence-based, image-guided regenerative treatments for orthopedic and spine conditions. Today, I want to help you understand the difference between FDA clinical trials and FDA-registered products, because this distinction is critical for your safety. FDA-registered is often used in marketing, but it's widely misunderstood. In most cases, registration simply means a company has listed a facility or product with the FDA. The application takes about 20 minutes to submit, and it simply means the FDA knows that the product exists. It does not mean the FDA reviewed the product, the FDA confirmed it contains live stem cells, the FDA verified for effectiveness, safety, or even that it was made in a clean facility. And it does not mean that the FDA put any stamp of approval on it. Several independent university labs have shown that some of these stem cell products may contain no viable stem cells at all. In fact, the FDA has warned that many umbilical cord cell products marketed today are unapproved and may carry real safety risks. Many of these labs have been inspected by the FDA and found to have serious sterility deficiencies. You can look for these warning letters on the FDA.gov website. Now compare that to an FDA-registered clinical trial. Before a patient is ever treated, the product must go through an investigational new drug review called an IND. Manufacturing must meet strict, good manufacturing practice standards. Safety and dosing must be carefully defined, and only then can therapy enter human trials. And it must continue meeting strict safety standards at every phase. Even after the trial's full approval requires a biologics license application, showing that the FDA has determined the product is safe and effective. This is a much higher bar, and it exists to protect you. It takes years to complete this. There are no shortcuts. This isn't just semantics. It directly affects safety, product quality, and whether the treatment actually even works. FDA-reviewed therapies must demonstrate verified potency, controlled dosing, and consistent manufacturing. But FDA-registered products that don't have an IND and are not actively engaged in FDA-regulated clinical trials don't have any of that. That variability can lead to real complications, including life-threatening infections or unintended reactions. The challenge is that the regulatory system is complex. There are different categories like minimally manipulated tissues, biologic drugs, clinical trials, right-to-try pathways. Unfortunately, most doctors don't even fully understand the regulations. How is a patient going to protect themselves? If you're considering regenerative medicine, here are a few important questions to ask. Under what category is this product regulated by the FDA? Is this part of an FDA-regulated clinical trial? What evidence supports this treatment? How is the product processed and tested? Because at the end of the day, you deserve transparency and not just marketing language. If you're dealing with joint, tendon, or spine pain and want to explore safe, evidence-based options, we're here to help. At LifeStem, we focus on precision diagnosis, image-guided treatment, FDA compliance for your safety, and we provide clear, honest recommendations. Call us. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos breaking down regenerative medicine in plain English. And as always, this content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice.